Looking for the best bookmark manager? Try Raindrop.io. It works across web, mobile, desktop, and browsers. So your bookmarks always stick with you. Organized with folders, nested collections, tags, even auto icons. Want more? GoPro for full text search, page snapshots, reminders, duplicates cleanup, and AI powered tool suggestions. You can also annotate, back up, and collaborate. Free version is seriously generous. Unlimited storage, devices, and some backup. Reviews praise its speed, reliability, and deep integration with Obsidian, IFTTT, and more. Downsides: some power user features are missing, and the Pro plan costs about $3 a month. If you're serious about managing your links, research, or resources, Raindrop is a smart choice. Clean, powerful, and across platform.